Fox 12 investigators are getting to the bottom of your questions about the COVID-19 pandemic. And tonight, a question about the DMV.
Fox 12's Simon Gutierrez is live in Northeast Portland with some answers.
Yeah, DMV offices around the state have been closed except by appointment. And that has some folks who have business at the DMV a little frustrated.
Carrie in Scappoose says, I would like to know when the DMV will open. There are adults who need to take knowledge tests and driver's tests who had a license in the past but can't take care of business because they aren't open. Why can't they do what the stores do and keep distance but take care of business?
Currently, DMV and all state offices are under a very strict appointment-only rule, and we have the capacity to take appointments for just a few people at a time. We are focusing that ability on commercial drivers because getting them into trucks and getting vital services and goods delivered is essential service. I hope that within the next few weeks we have a plan in place, which offices can open, how they can reopen, how we can do it safely with social distancing in place. For example, we've just started installing transparent plastic shields for the counters.
How has this whole pandemic affected the rollout of the Real ID?
The good news is that the federal government has extended the deadline. The enforcement of the additional credentials at airport security won't start until October of next year instead of this year. So that gives everybody more time, not just in Oregon, but across the country.
If someone has lost an ID, a driver's license, or hasn't had one and is in need of one, what should they do?
There are some cases where we can replace a lost or stolen license through a mail transaction. I would call your local DMV phone number, be patient with the wait time, and see if that's possible in your case.
And Simon, what about new drivers like student drivers trying to get their permit or their first license?
Yeah, right now, the DMV is not issuing new licenses or IDs. Those have to be done in person. That's going to have to wait until those offices open back up. And the DMV expects a significant backlog at that time. And we do have one more question to get to tonight, coming up at 6, a question about outdoor recreation. Stay tuned.